What's going on, everybody? My name is Chef Rock Harper from Queen Mother's Restaurant in Arlington, Virginia, here with a pro tip for all of my aspiring chefs. If I can give you one thing, the most important thing that you can carry with you everywhere, you don't even need a bag for it, is to be a constant learner. Always be learning. Always approach every situation like you're an empty vessel with ignorance, if you will. I don't know. 3 very powerful words. Approach everything like that. Learn, learn, learn. No matter where you are, whether you're an apprentice starting out or you're a master chef. Approach every situation that you don't know about. What can I learn? What can I take away from this? And that's externally and also internally. A good friend of mine, Gideon Coleman, the K-Street coach, told me one time that we should be more curious internally than we are critical. And that hit hard because as an artist, we all know we're very critical of our own work and of ourselves. But how curious of ourselves are we? And we should be continually curious about our internal mechanisms and our lens that colors the way we see the world and also everything around us. So if I can give you one pro tip, it is to constantly be a student. For more pro tips, be sure to check out Eats Plus Beats from Words, Beats, and Life. Peace.